Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another hairstyle, another quick and easy natural hairstyle. So today's video is in collaboration with Nadula. I have their upgraded EasiContour Vpart wig. The texture is Yaki straight and I have 20 inches. So all of the new upgraded wigs come with this new adjustable drawstring in the back, so it's kind of like a one size fits all because you can adjust it with the drawstring. So here's the wig straight out of the package. I am gonna go ahead and wash it and blow dry it, and then we're gonna install this wig. So here I am. This is the wig after it's been washed and air dried. So I'm just showing you guys again the drawstring because that is what we're going to use to make sure that our wig fits our head perfectly. And here I'm just sectioning off my leave out. You can do a little bit of leave out if you want, or you can do a lot. It's just personal preference. I like to make sure it's enough hair to cover the wig so that there's no gapping, and I like to do a lot with my part, you know. But since this is the new upgraded one, the hair already has like a flip over, so your hair blends seamlessly with the wig. There's no gapping or anything like that. And for the sake of the video, or the fact that I never have my hair braided down, I'm just gonna put my hair in a low ponytail and flip it up. But if I were to wear this out in the public, I would definitely have some sort of braids underneath just to make sure my wig is nice and secure, make sure it's not going anywhere.
Nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to foreign.
And here's a close-up of the flip over. So as you can see, there's no exposed track, so when you blend your leave out with that, it just gives you that seamless look. So for me, there are a lot of clips in this wig. I just normally clip the front too, and then I attach the combs on the side, and there is the adjustable strap in the back, so you make sure you pull this to tighten it, and then there's a little piece that you have to follow behind so that the wig doesn't loosen up and, you know, unadjust itself. So you just tuck that under and you're good to go. Your wig is nice and secure. It's not gonna go anywhere. Like, it's secure.
You should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the number just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me. Strippers wanna sex me. You left on her, now we mad because you had me. Say fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had patience? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. Wash it off when you tie me off, you know I'll be slow. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction. Just do without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't.
And since my leave out is already straightened, there's really not much that I have to do with this Yaki straight texture. It blends well with blown out hair, relaxed hair, silk pressed natural hair. Like, if your hair is coarse, it's gonna blend with this no problem. You guys know I had a bang, so I'm currently growing that out, but I'm still trying to play around and see if I could wear a middle part, and I'm getting there. The bang is growing, and we're just doing protective styles to keep it growing. But as you can see, the blend, it literally takes 5 seconds to blend your hair. Like, there's not much that you have to do at all. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of oil. This is gonna act as a heat protectant for my leave out because I am just gonna run a flat iron through it, like really quickly, like one pass.
Now you
Is it just me or is 20-inch giving 22? Um, love the length of the hair, love the density. This wig is 150% density, and here I'm just showing you guys that the wig isn't going anywhere. It's nice and secure, and I don't even have mine braided down or attached to braids. It's just clipped. And then the adjustable strap, the adjustable drawstring. I keep saying strap, but when I say strap, I mean drawstring. So for the style I'm going for, I kind of want like two front bangs. So I just go in with my razor comb and I cut that on up. So I'm gonna play around with this wig to see what kind of styles I can do with it because it's super versatile. You can literally do anything. I'm gonna go with like my normal hairstyle of like my two little ponytails, and then we're just gonna see what else.
I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I want you don't mean I want you. I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes. I'ma walk in direction. Without a thought, we do it real good. Your nigga call us text. Baby, don't be mad, you know how it
So here's that. She's cute, she's versatile. You don't see any cap. So it's given like a clip-in look. It's giving very natural, and we love a natural hairstyle. So I realized that I thought I wanted some curls to my cute little style, but then I realized that maybe I don't want to curl this hair and have the ponytails in. So I ended up taking the ponytails out and I wanted a side bang swoop situation. And as you can see, my bang is growing. So I'm just kind of letting it do its own thing so I don't over manipulate it because I had to cut a bang for a reason. Like anyways, here I'm just showing you that you can easily swoop your hair to whatever you want it to be, but that kind of just depends on how much leave out you leave out. So I wanted a side bang like given Aaliyah, very much Aaliyah coated, but I am going to throw some big old curls in this to give it a little oomph. Love this curling iron. I just love how it gives like a loose wave situation. I've been curling my hair a lot lately, just trying to figure out what kind of curl I like. So it's just crazy how you can get different curls with the same curling iron. But anyways, love that. I am here just going in with a little sideburn action. I feel like with a swoop, I need a cute curled sideburn. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to go in with my little pencil flat iron. I will list the hot tools that I'm using in the description box for you guys. So yeah, I'm just going in with my pencil flat iron and some edge control, and we're swooping it. But yes, that is it. This is the completed hairstyle. I absolutely love it. My hair is currently like this right now. It's just so easy and effortless, and like it like a swoop just eats so bad. But I'll be sure to list all of Nadula's hair information in the description box for you guys, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.